Okay, so first of all, before we start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Hugh Gig. Okay, Hugh Gig. So I'm actually the financial advisor working in Lirunex Limited, which is the company that we are going to talk about. So for today's session, right, we are going to talk about Lirunex portfolio management. Some of you maybe will not know what is actually portfolio management because maybe it sounds different from what you guys have heard before. I believe that if you never heard about portfolio management, you should heard about PAM or copy trade before this, right? If you have maybe like some experience in forex trading, then you should know what is PAM, what is copy trading, all these things. So portfolio management is actually some kind of copy trading and some kind of public PAM, one kind of like PAM account that you guys can invest your capital inside. So for this portfolio management, if you are investing, you should have your own investment portfolio, we call it, where we can see what you have invested before, what kind of product you have invested before, what is your profit and loss, what is your net profit since some year, like that. When we are investing, we have this investment portfolio with us. Most people, they do not have really much knowledge or information on how they can manage their portfolio really well in order to show profit in their investment. That's why we have portfolio manager with us. So this portfolio manager will manage your investment portfolio so that if you don't have any kind of experience or any kind of knowledge, you are still able to actually build your own investment portfolio with the help, with the assist of the portfolio manager. So for the first thing, we will talk about company overview, a very, very brief company background of Lirunex only. And then straight away, we will jump to the fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh part, where we will start introducing all the fun, all the strategy, all the portfolio management that we offering to all the investors for now. As you guys can see at the subtitle there, a company review the client of Lirunex a better understanding. So now, why am I actually introducing the company overview is because I want all the investor or the potential investor to have a better understanding on what kind of company is Lirunex. You should know Lirunex is actually a broker, forex broker. What are they trading? What are their transaction activity? All these things. Okay, that one it will be a bit detailed information, but then for now I will only touch on brief information only. For you guys' information, Lirunex Limited is actually dedicated to modern technology practices. In other words, in layman language, Lirunex Limited is actually a forex broker, or we call it foreign exchange broker, where we actually provide services to all the investors. You can deposit your fund, trade using our broker, using our platform that we are offering to all of you, and then you guys can make order, buy or sell at the MetaTrader 4. As you guys know, if you guys are investing in this foreign exchange, mostly everyone is using MetaTrader 4 platform, including Lirunex Limited. In order for you guys to place your order, you will need a forex broker like Lirunex Limited to send your order to the market. When they receive the order, and then only your order will be placed inside the market. Let's say, for example, you buy Europe USD. Of course, you will need a broker to send your order. Whatever transaction that you have placed, you will need a broker to send it to the market. Then only you will actually join the market. Lirunex Limited is actually a forex broker that provide foreign exchange trading for you guys. So besides become forex broker, Lirunex Limited is actually a broker that is regulated with this portfolio management license. That's why we have this portfolio management talk today, because we have this license. So we don't want to waste it. We hope that all the strategy that we're holding now, that we are offering to all the investors now, are able to help the investor to make certain amount of profit for them or manage the investment portfolio so that it looks very nice. For today, we have three strategy or three portfolio management services that are available for you guys in Lirunex. The first one is Harmony FX. The second one is Blue Sky, and then the third one will be the Royal FX. I will explain in a bit details. I will spend more time on this portfolio management thing so that you guys have a better understanding of which strategy that you guys should choose, which strategy is suitable for you guys. So we start with the first strategy first, which is called Harmony FX. For this Harmony FX, let me introduce first what is Harmony FX. All the portfolio management services that we are providing, to be honest, is actually all the same trading strategy, what we call semi-auto trading strategy, where the order will be placed. We can say like this: your account will be managed 50% by the AI, or in Forex, we don't call it AI, we call it expert advisor. We call it EA. 50% will be controlled by the EA, and then another 50% will be controlled by the portfolio manager. So you don't have to worry that this EA is not capable enough to manage your portfolio, to place order, or you are not really confident with all this artificial intelligence thing. So because 50% will be controlled by the portfolio manager, where the portfolio manager have their own knowledge, own experience on analyzing the market. The very first thing that I want to share with you guys is about the currency instrument. So Harmony FX is actually a strategy that is trading those low volatility currency instruments. For example, CAD CHF, Europe AUD, AUD USD. So Harmony FX is not suitable, not because it won't trade on those high volatility products such as gold, cryptocurrency like BTC USD, Ethereum USD, all these high volatility product lah. Okay, so I will say that it is not that suitable for those investors that are looking for a very high return profit. Maybe you are a very aggressive trader. You're willing to risk a lot of money to get a high return. So I think for those kind of trader, Harmony FX is actually not really suitable for you guys, because not only for Harmony FX, for all the strategy that we are providing, we are actually emphasizing a consistent and low risk investment. That's why we trade low volatility product, because we don't want our investor to take a lot of risk on trading gold, trading cryptocurrencies. Because I believe that all of you understand that gold and cryptocurrencies, or even silver, very, very high volatility market, or the fluctuation price changes is very, very fast. When the market is very high volatility, I can say that it is harder for all the portfolio manager or for the trader to analyze or predict the market trend. That's why we choose low volatility currency like CAD CHF, because the fluctuation is not really like frequent. So it is much more easier for the portfolio manager to analyze the market, whether we should do a buy or we should go for a sell. That's what we are emphasizing for all the strategy today. Besides that, Harmony FX come with a TPSL strategy, take profit and stop loss level, automatic TPSL lah, we can say. If you guys have never experienced or done any self-trading before, maybe the TPSL words will be a bit strange for you guys. But if you have done self-trading before, you should know what is TPSL. So TPSL is basically a price level that we can choose to take our profit or stop our losses at the price lah. So why is TPSL important? Let's say everyone here, you are a student, you are a working adult. You probably don't have like enough time, or you might not want to spend a lot of time or looking at your phone, looking at the trade, right? This TPSL thing is playing a very important role for you guys, because when you guys go to work or even you go to university to study, you don't have time to look at your trade, or sometimes because you are busy, you totally forgot about this trade. So once you place the order, if you forgot to put any TPSL, if we got a good news, then you will probably make a lot of profit if you analyze the market correctly. But then if you analyze the market wrongly, you will experience a lot of extra losses. So this TPSL thing is that before we place our order, we set this TPSL, take profit and stop loss level. For example, you buy Europe USD, and then you tell yourself, I want to raise $10 for this particular trade. I want to raise $10 and I want to earn $15. Then you set your TPSL at $15, and then you set your stop loss at $10. Once you go to work, you don't have to care about this trade anymore. Because as long as the stop loss or the profit hit $15, the system will automatically stop your trade with $15 of profit. It's the same thing. If your trade is making losses of $10, the system will automatically close your trade, and then you will not experience like any additional losses. Like you will only lose $10 for that particular trade. That's why TPSF is very important. So that's all from me. Thank you, everyone. Hope to see you guys again. Bye.